Friends, these days we keep hearing one scary sentence. AI is going to take away our jobs. But let me ask you something. Did electricity take jobs away, or did it create new industries? Did the internet destroy careers, or did it open doors to millions of new ones? The truth is simple. Technology doesn't kill jobs. It transforms them. It creates opportunities. Artificial intelligence is not a threat. It's a tool, a partner, a force for growth. AI will eliminate repetitive and boring tasks, like data entry, routine reports, and calculations. That means humans will finally have more time to focus on what we're truly great at: creativity, problem-solving, leadership, and emotional intelligence. Think about it. When machines first came into factories, people said jobs would disappear. But instead, entirely new industries were born. When the internet arrived, people feared mass unemployment. But it gave rise to IT, digital marketing, e-commerce, and countless more fields. The same story is repeating now. AI is not the end of jobs. It's the beginning of brand new ones. Future opportunities. In the near future, we'll see careers like AI trainers, prompt engineers, data ethicists, human-AI collaboration, specialists, robotics experts, and most importantly, entrepreneurs who use AI to launch the next wave of businesses. My friends, people who fear technology get left behind. People who embrace technology lead the future. Today, you have two choices. Either fear AI and complain about jobs disappearing, or learn AI, master it, and use it to grab new opportunities. Remember this: AI itself won't take your job, but someone who knows how to use AI will. So don't fear the future. Create it.